Good morning, good morning, good morning, good goddamn morning. Yes, I swear, it's Professor Emoneyshoes back in the building. He tends to make appearances every now and then, but we are cooking with Crisco. We 2 days in a row with videos. Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Mele Kaliki Maka to all my Ohana, right? So I covered everybody. Shout out to everybody for checking out my video yesterday. I'm looking a little scrubby, see all the grades coming in. Yes, I'm getting old, but hey, I gotta get it all straightened up. But hope everyone doing well, ready for Christmas, all of that good stuff. Please check out my featured channels. You can see it up there below, all of that good stuff. Make sure you go subscribe to Who Has the Heat. We're going to get ready to start it back up in January, right? January. So be on the lookout for that. But enough talking. Let's get into it. Now, some things I must say I did miss out on it, but I'm glad I was able to cop this shoe. This shoe has a lot of Easter eggs in this shoe. It dropped, I think, either November the 4th or 5th for $140. Yes, $140 as you can see. Official colorway is Pearl White, Neptune Green Cell, Air Trainer 3 SP. Probably special or whatever you want to call it, but as you can see, you got your Nike box, and y'all know most of the Air Trainers are Bo Jackson. So for us people that's Bo Jackson fans, some people may feel some type of way about this shoe, but excellent execution. As you can see, you got the stamp around way up there in the corner. Got my paper. I got these from StockX. How much these about? $240 I paid. So that's $100 over that. It's actually more than that now. So what I will tell you guys is please do not sleep on these shoes if you want them, because they are going up as we speak. And bang! Look at that. Woo! Let your chain hang low. Look at that. All that bling in here. We got to get into this. So like I said, it's a lot of Easter eggs to get into this shoe. But like I said, you see underneath the bottom, you got your Nike Air Trainer. Most people, this shoe is synonymous with Bo Jackson. Now you can see you got your sail colorway, your cream colorway, your stitched in swoosh. You see you got your strap on the forefoot. Get the strap. You got this green hits here that represents the AstroTurf at MetLife Stadium. Now you have these rope laces with 3M hits. So if you love 3M, see that 3M reflective around? Now let me see if you can get some light to see on that. No, you can't see it, but trust me, it's there. It will, let me see, did it go? Won't show up, but trust me, it's there. 3M right there. Then on the tongue, you see you got 26 Air Trainer. Then you see you got some, shout out to Virgil, you got some off-white vibes there. More behind the tongue, you see you got more of that stadium stuff. 26 is his number. And then you got some nice stitching right here with the leather materials. You got more 3M hits on the side. The blue swoosh, bluish purple swoosh, it kind of represents the Giants colorway. And if you see Saquon play, you know he always has those little eyeliner or shadow markings underneath his eyes. Then on the back, you see you got more of that translucent hit with the Nike, with the Air, you can't really see it, with Saquon's signature S on the back of, kind of giving you the off-white vibes, right? The ladies win the off-white 4. You got to kind of get those vibes. Then you got like a gray sock liner, which is very dope. Try to wear some light colored socks because you don't want to get those dark sock bunnies in here. And as you can see, you even got a chain with his logo, which is very dope. They, like I said, they give you a lot bang for your buck with this shoe. And you should be able to do your QR code with StockX on here to make sure you got a shoe valid from StockX. And inside you also see you have, of course, Saquon's number as well. You got the red insole. And like I said, perforated holes here, of course, for breathability. So this shoe, like I said, has a lot going on. So that's it for the first. It kind of got like a squarish toe box in the front a little bit. So, I mean, like I said, just very, very dope. Now that's for your left shoe. Now let's look at the right shoe. Now the right shoe, up close and personal. So you get your full swoosh on this one. And this one, you might can see the Nike Air a little bit better. No, you can't. But you see, you can see his swoosh. And in this one, you actually got his number, 26. Where the other one, you got his logo, which is, like I said, you're getting a lot for $140. This shoe was very, very well done, in my opinion. So, like I said, on this one, too, rope laces, 3M hits, perforated cream-colored holes. You got your perforated, you got your 3M hits going around the shoe. All of that good stuff. Stitching is on point. It is kind of heavy, but as you can see, I didn't mention it in the other one, but you can see the air unit has got that yellowish golden type of look. And then you got the pink around the midsole. So you got the midsole, and let me see. Not bad, the leather on the toe, but it is stuffed, and you don't have any shoe tree in here. It's just stuffed. If I can get it out. Yep, it's just stuffed. Production date on these joints are as follow. I went true to size, PP personal pair. So the thing is 3/17/21 to 5/26/21 is the production. So roughly about 2 months. Like I said, I had to have these joints. These are a fire shoe. For $140, you got a lot. Some people like, that's crazy. But now, you're probably going to pay $300 for these joints. So if you're going to get them, do not sleep on this shoe. It's best to get it, regret it, sell it later. I'm not saying being a reseller, but hey, if you want this shoe, do not sleep. I'm telling you right now, just look. Look at all the details on that shoe. That is cray. Yes, I said cray. So with that being said, you already know on the little meter, these are getting a Five out of 5 out of freaking 5. This is a fire flame shoe. Definitely going to be in the top 10 of shoes of 2021. Definitely will be in the top 10. Don't have that Jordan 1 foam pocket smell for a new shoe, but hey, that's okay. You always got to do the self test just to make sure, because you know what, you don't need no funny stuff going on. Don't see any glue stains or marks or any of that. But like I said, 5 out of 5. You guys let me know, was this a shoe on your list? Or the shoe you just gonna wait? Or this is not your cup of tea that has a lot going on? Well, like I said, these are the Saquon Barkley Air Trainer 3. Leave a comment suggestion below. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Until the next time, Emoneyshoes and Shaka, and we out. Peace.